Wait, go back. That's what I thought he said. The Prophet of Regret is planning to activate Halo.
Are you sure?
I shall light this holy ring, release its cleansing flame, and burn a path into the divine beyond.
Pretty much.
Commander, we've got a problem.
So I hear. But from what I understand, the Prophet will need an object, the Index, to activate the ring. I've located a library similar to the one you found on the first Halo. If the rings work the same way, the Index should be inside.
I'll bet the Covenant are thinking the exact same thing.
Then we better beat them to it, Sergeant. Extract your men and meet me at the library.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll secure the Index, Chief. You take out the Prophet. He's given us all the intel we need.
Yeah, that's right.
Hoorah!
Did we make it?
It works, Chief.
Don't be shy. Let's dance.
Another contact! Hoorah!
Get on out here so I can smoke you.
I had time to decipher these inscriptions. The Forerunners revered this place. They must just temple or university? I can't say.
Lost track of it! You done here?
Alright, Pigfoot, this is extreme prejudice.
They never knew what hit them.
Man, I could get used to this.
Cortana, the Covenant's getting nosy. I don't want to give away my position, so I'm rerouting a few stragglers back to you. I apologize. These Pelicans are all the support you're gonna get.
Understood, ma'am.
Following your lead, Chief.
A gondola is launching from the far towers. Big surprise, it's full of Covenant reinforcements. That's right.
Hey! Hey, that's live! That's live!
Chalk another one up, boys.
Go ahead, sir. Pick them off. I don't mind.
Well, they were nice enough to bring us a ride.
I was so busy kicking ass, I forgot to take names.
This lake couldn't have been formed by volcanic action, which means it was either built this way on purpose or was created by some other cataclysmic event. I'm sorry. Were you trying to kill something?
Unless you're digging a grave back here, you son of a bitch. Squid-headed freak. Well, I promise. Nice one, doggies. Got another hostile. To hell with you! Well then, bring it.
Ah, now I see. There's a submerged section that connects these towers to the outlying structures. Looks like we're going down. Unless you'd prefer to swim. I've intercepted a secure transmission from Regret's carrier to something called High Charity. It seems to be a formal apology to the prophets of truth and mercy. Apparently, Regret jumped the gun when he attacked Earth. He's asking the other prophets to forgive his premature arrival, arguing that no human presence was foretold. That explains why there were so few ships in his fleet. But it's odd a prophet would have such bad intel about his enemy's homeworld.
Can I help you, sir? What, you never seen a Marine before?
Jackass!
Do you think to
To hell with you, big man.
And I thought...
Regret's carrier just received a response from High Charity. A very well-encrypted message from the Prophet of Truth. Listen to this. Your haste has jeopardized the fulfillment of our covenant, threatened our grand design. That you shall be spared a public display of our contempt is thanks only to Mercy and his wise counsel. Truth, Mercy, Regret. 3 prophet hierarchs. Killing Regret should shake up the covenant leadership. But frankly, it sounds like you might be doing Truth a favor.
Don't let them overwhelm us!
After him! Let's go! Come on, press!
Every member of the Covenant shall walk the path. None will be left behind when our great journey begins. That is the Prophet's age-old promise, and it shall be fulfilled.
This is my last run, Chief. I'm nearly out of fuel.
Great journey.
We've secured
Doesn't
the first
he know
tower
what these
cluster,
rings
so I'll
do?
set down there. Call when you're ready for evac.
Now that's school.
Incoming! Watch yourself!
How's it going, you two? So far, so good. We're approaching the main temple now. Roger that. I'm as close to the library as I can get. There's some sort of barrier. We're trying to find a way around it. I'll keep you posted.
Lock and load! Safety's off!
Got nothing, Squid. Nothing.
Oh, hell, now I can't see it! Man, some days it don't pay to get out of bed!
Report!
Oh, I'm all there. We all heard.
Wait! Okay, everyone be cool. Alright, I'm out of here. You got a problem, man.
That's the largest Covenant fleet I've ever seen. The largest anyone's ever seen. Get inside the temple and kill regret before it can stop us.
Damn! Look at the size of that thing!
The Covenant fleet has launched multiple waves of phantoms. Too many for me to track. We don't have much time. Iron guards all over this place. Watch your back.
Human filth! You befoul this holy place.
There's the target. Take him out. Bad news. The Phantoms are turning around. The fleet is preparing to fire on our position. We need to get out of here.